If you look at this problem now, again the problem can be solved like this, in the form of a ratio, right? In the form of a ratio like this. I can write this in the form sine of theta plus 2 alpha like this. Sine of theta plus 2 alpha, that is equal to 3 by 1. So applying the componendo dividendo rule, so I can say sine theta plus sine of theta plus 2 alpha divided by sine theta minus of sine of theta minus 2 alpha, theta plus 2 alpha, that is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Is it okay? So we know the formula for sine A plus sine B. Sine A plus sine B, that is equal to 2 sine A plus B divided by 2 into what is it? Cos of A minus B divided by 2. Okay, sine A minus sine B, that is equal to sine A minus sine B, that is equal to 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into sine of A minus B divided by 2 into sine of A minus B divided by 2. So what is the answer that we get? 2 sine of theta plus theta 2 theta plus 2 alpha. So this is nothing but theta plus alpha divided by 2. Correct or not? Into cos of theta minus theta. So will get cancelled. Minus 2 alpha. Okay. Cos of minus alpha divided by 2. So sine of here, this is nothing but 2 sine of theta 2 cos of A plus B divided by 2, which is nothing but alpha, theta plus alpha, into sine of A minus B divided by 2. So this is nothing but A minus B divided by 2, sine of minus alpha, that is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Correct or not? Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine by cos will be equal to what is it? Tan. Tan of theta plus alpha, cos of minus alpha is nothing but cos alpha, whereas sine of minus alpha is nothing but minus sine alpha. Sine of minus alpha is nothing but minus sine alpha, that is equal to 2. So I can say tan of theta plus alpha, that is equal to minus 2 sine alpha divided by cos alpha. Correct? So tan of theta plus alpha, that is equal to minus 2 tan alpha. Correct? So tan of theta plus alpha plus 2 tan alpha, that is equal to what? 0. This answer will be equal to what? 0 will be the answer.